everyone. So we have came up with a new feature, that is store-wise permission feature. This particular feature will be helpful to you in order to go ahead and manage your permission of teams as per store. So suppose if you have multiple store and just for this team you want a specific permission for this store, how you can manage it? Now TranZact have bring up this feature. So where you need to go? First of all, you need to go to settings module. Click on browse modules, go to settings module. In settings module, go to teams and click on three dot. You will get an option of permission. Please click on permission. Now in the permission segment, in the very top, you can define all the permissions. Go below and here you will get an option of enable store permission. So the permissions which I have defined above, I can select that these permission will be applied for which store. That means this particular team can access only these stores. So I can very well go ahead and make a selection over here, and then after I can save the permission, and accordingly that particular team will be able to access that store only. I hope this particular feature will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.